Well, as you can see, it's all about Bollywood style. In fact, Bollywood has found its way to the Real Life Studios, and we're just delighted to have with us Sushma today. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you very much.
And you are the very talented lady behind some of these beautiful, beautiful designs, and it's truly a little East meets West influence.
Absolutely.
You open any fashion magazine now, and really the Bollywood fashion trend has really found its way into North America.
Absolutely. And what we're trying to do is we're trying to bring a little bit of Bollywood into every woman's outfits. So be it accessorizing with a piece of Dagmar, or be it just a little bag, or be it one of the tunics, you can just bring Bollywood into your everyday life. And that's kind of what we're here for.
So how do you recommend that somebody starts? You know, you want to start a little simple before you go full out into all the bling.
Yes.
Where do you sort of start, with the accessories?
Absolutely. I think those are the easiest, in my opinion.
Yeah,
So let's start with some of these.
Okay.
That would be great for someone who would want just a black cocktail dress. Something like this would be absolutely stunning, which is made with black onyx, rose-cut quartz. The emphasis with Dagmar, let me just tell you a bit about that, is kind of using semi-precious, naturally occurring stones. We do everything mostly by hand, so they are kind of one-of-a-kind pieces. The stones are naturally occurring, so they come with a little bit of a speck, a little bit of a detail. So it's kind of nice to have that, and it's affordable luxury.
This is where I was going to go, because this all sounds lovely, but this is really the key before people tune out, because this is really wearable pieces that most women can afford to incorporate into their personal collection.
Style, absolutely. And just to give you an idea of price points, because I do believe that's important, we do have pieces between $99 and about $200, and they're all set on silver with 22-karat gold plating. So let me walk you through some of them, which are very interesting. So we've got the Victorian pieces like that. We'd have the rose-cut quartz and the black onyx. Think about a black cocktail dress, and I'm going to go over here just to show you how we can team things up like that. We could do a tunic perhaps like that.
Okay.
And just to bring that element of bling into your outfit, you may want to do a piece like that, or even a bangle like that.
See, I like this.
Do you see what I mean? That just takes you to another level. Takes you from day to evening in a heartbeat.
And it's amazing. I put on this lovely piece, and you instantly...
You look fabulous in it, by the way.
You know what? It instantly does something for your spirits. It's pretty spectacular. It's really spectacular. But I did want to talk about, you've also got some great tips about taking fashion from day to night as well.
Absolutely. And so let me walk you through some of the pieces we could have fun with. So we do have tunics, which are from Sushke Designs. I designed them all myself. And what's nice about them, they're one-of-a-kind pieces. So we don't have mass production on any of them.
Everything's done by hand.
Everything's done by hand. It's a labor of love, which is what we pride ourselves in. So we have tunics like that, which you could easily do with jeans, in summer with flip-flops, with just capris. And if you want to just bling it up a bit, I would so love to see my ladies in...
See, I love this. I love that there's no real rules.
There you go. Make your own rules, honey. Make your own rules is what we're all about.
You've been very busy with the jewelry line, with the fashions, and you've also had time to work with some local charities. This is a really wonderful initiative, too. Tell us a little bit about this.
So what this is essentially, it's a foundation started up by a friend of mine, and she teaches deaf kids in India sign language. 100% of the proceeds from these beautiful little pouches go towards this foundation, which is doing some incredible work in India as we speak. So it's just a little bit of that element brought into the jewelry and the tunics to make it an entire collection for the everyday woman.
Well, this is just the tip of the iceberg. Believe me, if people want to look a little bit more at the fashions, at the jewelry, where can we send them online?
Well, for your jewelry, feel free to get in touch with us on dagmarjewelry.ca. You can buy most of these pieces online there. In terms of the clothing, you'd have to go to sushkedesigns.com, which is again one of those things where you won't be able to buy pieces online, but feel free to send us an email and come check us out downtown Toronto.
Well, I know Sharon and I are going to spend our commercial time doing a little bit of shopping. Thank you so much for joining us. I hope you'll come back again.
Absolutely.
And we'll be back with more Real Life after this.